Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Spain Schengen visa. If this is your first time doing it, it can look like a lot in the beginning, but once everything is broken down step by step, it becomes much easier to understand. So here is one thing to keep in mind is that Spain does not use the same visa application center as some of the Schengen countries. So for Spain, the process goes through BLS, and that is where most of this application will happen. So in this video, the focus is on the main parts of the process: checking the visa category, preparing the right documents, filling out the forms, and booking out the appointment. So to begin, go to the official BLS website for Spain in your country of residence. So when the page opens, look for the visa section and select the visa type category. Then choose tourist visa. So this part gives a basic overview of the visa and explains that it is meant for short visits with a maximum stay of up to 90 days. So on the same page, there's also an option to download the visa application form. So for this application, two versions of the form are needed, one in English and one in Spanish. So both forms should contain the exact same details. So once one is filled out, the same information can be copied into the other one. It is also usually easier to type it into the PDF first, then print it out and then sign it. And before working on the form, it helps to gather the required documents first. A valid international passport is needed, and it should still have enough validity left, along with the blank pages for the visa and entry stops. So two passport photos are also required, and the correct size matters. So it is also important to follow the step specification shown on the checklist. Travel insurance is also mandatory for Spain and for the Schengen area. Aside from that, the application needs a flight reservation, hotel reservation, and a travel plan for the trip. The hotel booking should match the full period of stay. And an introduction letter is also needed to explain the reason for travel. And financial documents are important too, such as pay slips, employment documents, and a stamped bank statement. If the applicant owns a business, then company documents and business records may also be included. So extra papers like past visas, travel history, or property documents can also be added if there is available. So once the document is ready, the next step is filling out the form carefully. The details entered should match the passport exactly. So this includes the surname, first name, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, passport number, issue date, expiry date, address, email, and phone number. The form also asks for occupation and employer details. So for the purpose of travel, choose tourism. For the main destination, select Spain. If Spain is also the first country of entry, that should be entered the same way. If the trip is not based on an invitation from family or an organization, then the section for the inviting person can be left out and the hotel information should be entered instead. So in the cost section, if the traveler is paying for the trip personally, then that part should now show that the expenses are self-funded. Then after completing everything, the form should be printed and then signed. After the forms are done, the last main step is to book an appointment. So through the BLS website. So this usually starts by creating an account, enter the required personal details, verify the email or OTP if needed, then log in and go to the appointment section. So from there, select the location, choose the short-term visa category, and pick the tourist visa option. If there is no appointment slots are showing, keep checking again later because availability can change. So once a slot is available, complete the booking and then prepare all the documents for the visit to the visa application center. So that's basically the process from start to finish. It may seem like a lot at first, but once the form, documents, and appointment are handled one by one, it becomes much more manageable. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next one.